Midjourney's version 4 algorithm has just been released for testing and the results are insane. So today I'm going to show you how you can use that algorithm and just sort of have a look at some of the results we can get using it. So I'm logged into my Discord server and I'm going to type my prompt. And at the end I type in --v space 4 to use the version 4 algorithm. And check out these results, absolutely incredible. We're going to upscale and check out some of these so you can see how they look, but you can see the detail and even the eyes are looking a lot better. One thing Midjourney's done really well is fix eyes in this algorithm. However, the resolution's not quite as large as it was when you're using the test algorithms, but still really cool results. Keep in mind, if you don't want to keep typing in the --v4, you can go to /settings, hit that, and simply choose version 4 and it will actually add that to your prompts by default if you want to go that way as well. But recently I did a video showing the evolution of Midjourney and I'm going to show some of the images here, not all of them, just so you can sort of compare what this new algorithm looks like, and I'll link to that other video at the end of this one. But check out the lighting and difference in the eyes with this face, and just the way it sort of takes certain pictures and adds things like reflections. Just the layout, the composition is definitely improved. In this one in particular, the dog doesn't look too much better, but I do like the difference and the different sort of options. But overall, it's definitely a step up from the test algorithm a bit. Massive step up from version 3, and I think they've done an awesome job in growing this algorithm, making it more intelligent. So I'm excited to see where Midjourney goes in the future. And yeah, we're going to keep following it. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving it a like, and don't forget to check out my Midjourney Evolution video to see how far this platform's come. Otherwise, have a great day and I hope to see you again soon.